Oh wow, just had a really big, massive sneezing fit, and I was just like I was in the sneeze fit, and like I was like now I can't really do very much. I'm in this sneezing fit so bad. My eyes are shut, and I can't see nothing. I can't hear nothing, and I try really hard just to find a break, just to grab my phone. And then when I grab my phone, I'm still sneezing. And then I've got to find the camera, and then I've got to swipe it and put it on video, and then make sure I press on record, because I've missed that loads of times. Press the record button. Well, I hope I got that on camera. Oh, jeez. This is because I'm sitting outside again. Or it could be because I'm very, very tired. As I told you in my last video, I think so. Being woken up by the builders. And my dog was sick as well. And anyway, I've got vacation now for 2 weeks. So you might get a lot more videos. And well, actually, I think I posted quite a lot last night. All the ones left out, all the ones. Anyway, I think I posted a few last night. You know, not all sneezing, but just a few videos from the other side of my life. If you don't like them, thumbs down. It's okay. And if you want to see more of my life, then make a comment or something. I don't know what you guys want. If you want sneezing or you just want other things. I also go live quite a lot as well. I'm not putting my live videos on YouTube yet. But I go live quite a lot as well. So anyway, guys, keep me updated. Let me know what you want. If you find my sneezing boring, say, God, Ange, your sneezing are getting boring. Do something else. And don't ask me any requests to blow my nose or things like that. Ask me to do something else. Show more of my dogs or whatever. Or show more of my wildlife. I love photography as well. I have a great collection of photographs. So anyway, maybe I could make a clip show or something of my photos from birds and wild animals. I don't know what. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's just started to rain. The whole of July has just rained. I hope from tomorrow it's going to be sunny because I've got vacation. So folks, love you all. Keep you updated. And wherever you are, wherever you live, good day, good night, good morning. And have a great day. Love you all. This never works, does it? So I'll just do this like sort of. Woo!